Robert, here's your beautiful 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give description of this combination. Obviously it's Borla. All polished out for you. It's a custom hydraulic roller. It's got the Billet Specialties front end on it. The Carroll Shelby valve covers. Obviously fuel management. Holley Terminator X. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Okie dokie, 3600, 459 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 526. Peaks horsepower 565. We're right at 570. It's got a front end on it, so everything's good. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.